please go and pacify it. And then he told, oh, Gopinang mad viyoga avadhin matsam darshay vimochaya. Oh, also go to gopis. My father and mother are like so that I told you. They are weeping bitterly, they are blind, they may die. But I don't know gopis. That house separation, oh, top separation, they are feeling. I don't know whether they are survived or they are not. Go at once quickly. They are feeling separation topmost form. So, you should go. Tam manaska. Always, what doing? Remembering me. Remember. For what? For their own purpose? No. Oh, they know that in Mathura there is none to know the heart of Krishna. Krishna is very shy. Very shy. He cannot ask
for meal to anyone.
Bread and butter for anyone. Who will it? Oh, there is no. Jashoda Maiya, not even Rohini. So to whom? And who will pacify Krishna? Who will serve Krishna? So they are feeling separation so much. Mat prana, they are my life and soul. He had not told for his father, not his mother said, take the life. They have left everything. For body what we want. Oh, they have left everything. Everything. Daihya comments. तुम नीचे यहाँ पर आकर के बैठता क्यों नहीं? यहाँ पर जगह है तो तुम घर में बैठता है चोर जैसा. हाँ, दैह्य का what meaning दैह्य का? Yes, they don't care for their body. They have forgotten all things. Mam eva. I am only their beloved. Only one. They are my most beloved. Preshtham Atmanam. Oh, even my soul, life they are. Je take the lok dharmanscha madathetan vibhagyaham. That left their shyness. They have left their lok dharma. Lok dharma means? Worldly
duties.
Responsibility. And not only this, what they will tell,
social etiquette.
They have left all these things. Why? For me. They disobey their parents. Why? For me. They have left their maintenance. Why? For me. So I must anyhow save them, maintain them. Dharyanti ati Krishnera. They are now far away. And anyhow, that Krishna will come tomorrow. If he will die, then Krishna may die. So they are not dying. Anyhow, they are maintaining their lives. Only their life is लाइफ उनका बचा हुआ है केवल ये मैं कल आऊंगा इस पर.
Their life is only sustaining because they know Krishna is going to come tomorrow.
Because Krishna has promised. He cannot break his promise. He must come. So tomorrow he will come. Tomorrow he will come. And that is why they have kept their life. Anyhow, I think that they have not kept their life myself. Because their life in me. So I am maintaining. Otherwise they will have been finished. Go at once. And see whether they are died or not. If not that, then pacify them. And Uddhava. He has not told anything like this to anyone. To Pandavas, to Arjuna, to the queen of Satyabhama, Rukmini, nothing. Why? Because they have boundless, causeless love and affection for Krishna. And that is object. That is most high. The love of Krishna which was in gopis. Especially, you can know that all the gopis like Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champaklata and all, Rukmanjali. They were serving at that time pacifying Radhika. Who can pacify? Who can pacify? To whom pacify? Sri Radhika was totally mad. No sense at all. So others were pacifying because they were incensed. No? Lalita, Vishakha, all were incensed. Their love is so high. More than millions of Uddhava prema. So hard. More than millions times more than Satyabhama Rukmini. More than even the Sakhis of Vrindavan. But in comparison of Radhika, not so high. So Radhika was totally mad. And Uddhava saw. How he saw? In Brahmargi, a bumblebee. Oh, also this bumblebee was Krishna. He went to Braj in the shape, in form of bumblebee. And he saw Radhika totally mad and he was sleeping in a bed of rose flowers, petals. And it was joy. So much chandan was given, cool, but even it was fried. She was dead or in life. Oh, he could not imagine what she was. And she was sometimes very angry, more to Krishna, criticizing Krishna, abusing him. So, cheater, ungrateful. Even Satyabhama and all others cannot tell Krishna like this. Oh, Mother Jasoda Nanda Baba even cannot tell like this. That gopis are telling, ungrateful. You are like bumblebees of 6 feet, more than animal. Animal, human form had 2 legs, and animals 4. And body, or like this, bumblebee 6 legs. So they are more than any animal. Comparing him. Oh, so many things. We don't want to have any relation with that black person, with black hair, black like bumblebee. We know there was a Ram, also black, and who was he? What doing? He cheated Surpanakha and So there are so many things. So Srimad Bhagavat is the explanation of the love of Radhika, glorifying Radhika's love. So the love in Radhika is topmost. Oh, this is the goal of whole world, living beings. They cannot receive like this. Never. But a drop that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave to Rupa Goswami, endless ocean of nectar, of rasa, bhakti rasa. He gave one drop. And even one drop can sink whole universe. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this. If we can serve these gopis, especially to Radhika, then we can have a love affection for Krishna, and then we can feel separation so much, otherwise never and never. So this is goal of our life. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Goswami has, and Srimad Bhagavat Sukadeva Goswami has, in final touching, they are telling you, conclusion, that our goal is what? Krishna prem. But like whom? Oh, by like them. So, Krishna told to Uddhav, and now he knew that gopis have so much love and affection for Krishna. But he had no experience still now. No? He heard that gopis are most beloved of Krishna. Krishna is most beloved of gopis. He knew this fact. But how their love is, how tall, and in what way, and what is that love? He had love for Krishna. Like, oh, he is my Prabhu, he is like my brother, he is like, oh, so many things. But not, Krishna is not telling anything for Uddhav like so. But he is telling to Uddhav, go. Why? Oh, you should go and realize what is prem to me. In Mathura there is none like these gopis. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, out of his mercy, sprinkle a drop anarpit charinjya. And this is our goal of life. Uddhav went to Braja. Why I am telling all these things? Make it clear what is the goal. First make a goal, and then process. If there is no goal, what is process? Everywhere it has been done. Nigama kalpataru galitam phalam sukamukhadayam mritadarva sanjutam ivata bhagavata rasamalayam maho rasika bhudha. Oh, this is object of Srimad Bhagavatam. 3 sloks from beginning are explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. Especially 10th canto is explained only Nigamkalpataru. How Srimad Bhagavatam? Krishna is the ocean of rasa. So our object is all this love and affection for Krishna, like gopis, like to serve Radhika, like this. Now Uddhav went to Braja. He has so much love and affection for Krishna. But a new thing, totally new thing for him. And when he kept his legs in Braja, and he realized what he saw. He saw Krishna is playing everywhere. All the sakhas are playing with Krishna. Oh, millions of cows hankering after Krishna. And so much of big horse. And milk is automatic. And cups so beautiful, charming, white, black. And they are jumping here and there. Bulls, oh, big bulls of Nanda Baba. What doing? Fighting each other. And gopis are what? In the morning, he saw that scene of morning, of very beautiful lamps in gopis' room of ghee. Not like this. Dead thing. And ghee. Very, what? Snigdha. And so much fragrance coming everywhere from flowers. Bumblebees what doing? Humming. What? They were blowing the shankha.
Tail of Cupid.
Everywhere birds were singing, cuckoo birds and peacocks. Oh, what doing? Keka and dancing everywhere. Sakhar were like this, and all the gopis chanting and doing Govinda. Mothers. Yashoda was so much beautiful, so much extreme. And that is why Krishna became so beautiful. If mother was not beautiful, how he can come? Then he would have been Valli of black. Valli black, no beauty such, coming like pearls. So Krishna was so Yashoda mother, all like this. He saw. And in a moment, the scene was dropped. And then what he saw? All are weeping for Krishna. Oh Krishna, there you are. He saw cows are not going to graze. All weeping, keeping their head towards Mathura. Cows weeping. They are not taking milk from the udder of their mothers. All are weeping. Peacocks not dancing. All are like blind, or like mad for Krishna. This in he saw. And now it became evening. Anyhow, he entered and made meat. He saw the love and affection of Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba. And he was, what? Struck drum?
Don't stop.
Huh?
Don't stop.
Dumb stuff. Oh, he could not imagine how high class of love and affection can be. Now we realize something of how high class of love and affection. But when in the morning and he went to Kadamba Kiari, where all the gopis met and about to die there. Anyhow, by the mercy of Krishna, he saw the gopis there. And he reached there. And he saw and realized something. And for this thing, Krishna has sent Uddhav to go to Vrindavan, try to be admitted in the school of gopis, where I was admitted. And then you should return back, and then we can speak something about love and affection. So go and be first qualified. But he was not qualified to be admitted in the school of, because his numbers were about 25%. And there they needed what? More than 85% numbers. So they rejected. But he went there in the school and saw, very high class of students are there, and professor and principals were there, like Vishakha, like Lalita Vishakha. And principal herself, Radhika. And then he saw, and then he prayed, Bande Nanda Brij Istrinam Pad Renum Bhikshnasam Jasam Hari Kathot Gita Punati Honam. And now he knew the glories of gopis, how they love Krishna. He had never seen like this. And now he felt that if I want to love Krishna, then I must be admitted in this school, but I am not qualified. He requested gopis that if you are not admitting in your school, can you please take me like a servant to give water, like a servant to clean the school, college? Oh, they rejected also. He was not it. No. You should go and return back, then be qualified, and then you can broom here. Even you cannot broom. You cannot broom our kunja. Can he do?
Not qualified.
Not. So, he was praying now. Bande Nanda Braja Istrinam. Who are Nanda Braja Istrinam? All the gopis, beloved of Krishna. Oh, I want to pray, offer myself. I want to pray, I want to keep one even particle of your dust, food dust. If one particle, can you tell that particle of which a special gopi? Then it must be of Srimati Radhika. Brahma cannot attend this. Shankar cannot. Even Satyabhama and all others cannot. So Krishna has sent him to see the glory of the gopis. Then he is telling, saying glory. He saw the Himalaya, the peak, highest peak, Everest. And he saw like this. He could not become like that. He had to return back to Krishna, empty hand. Only that Sandesh was there. What Sandesh? Message that, oh, I went there. What I saw, very strange, very wonderful. I cannot explain all this. You told, it is told through more than you told. But I could not realize anything. So I had to return back. Vande Nanda Brajeshtinam Padainum Apikshnasa Jasam Hari Kathodgita. What they have told, that Brahma Gita. In Gopi Gita, Jayapite Dhikam. In this, Tava Kathamritam Taptaji. In this. And it will purify